In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Whop community. If you're just starting from scratch and want to set up your own community on Whop, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the basic setup flow so you know exactly where to go and what to expect on the screen. To begin, go to the Whop homepage. This is the starting point for creating your business and getting your community set up properly. Once you arrive on the home screen, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place and that the page has fully loaded. This helps avoid missing any important buttons or setup prompts. From there, click Start Business. This is the option that begins the creation process for your new Whop community. If you're brand new to the platform, this is essentially the entry point that tells Whop you want to build something of your own rather than just browse existing communities or products. After clicking Start Business, choose Create from Scratch. This option is useful if you want full control over how your community is set up from the beginning. Instead of using a pre-built template or existing structure, creating from scratch lets you build the foundation yourself and tailor it to your brand, your audience, and the kind of experience you want to offer. Next, enter your business name and follow the setup steps shown on screen. Your business name is an important part of your identity on the platform, so choose something clear, recognizable, and relevant to your niche or brand. As you continue through the prompts, Whop will guide you through the rest of the setup process. Just read each screen carefully and complete the required fields as they appear. While going through these steps, it's a good idea to stay consistent with your branding. Even at this early stage, using the right business name and paying attention to the setup details can make the rest of your community building process much smoother. If you're unsure about anything during setup, simply move through each prompt one at a time rather than rushing, since that helps reduce mistakes and keeps everything organized from the start. Once you've completed the guided steps, your Whop community foundation will be in place, and you'll be ready to continue building it out further inside the platform. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a Whop community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.